Hi guys, welcome to Learn with Teacher YouTube channel. Today we will be taking JAMB mathematics likely question for what? Permutation. So, firstly, let's know what is permutation. Permutation is a way of arrangement, while combination is a way of selecting or choosing. Let's solve some questions under permutation combination. And I hope after this class, you should be able to solve any question under permutation and combination. So, let's move to this. Question 1. In how many ways can 5 students be arranged in a row of 5? In how many ways can 5 students be arranged in a row of 5? So let's solve. A. 180 ways, B. 120 ways, C. 140 ways, D. And 160 ways. So let's solve. Formula for solving permutation is what? N permutation R equal to what? Equal to N factorial over what? N minus R factorial. So this is the formula for solving what? Permutation and combination. So let's solve this. What is our N? Our N is equal to what? Equal to 5. That's the number of students. And in a row of what? In a row of 5. So our R will be what? Will be 5. So let's input this into our formula. So N permutation R will be equal to what? 5 factorial over 5 minus 5 what? Factorial. So what does 5 factorial mean? It means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we have N permutation R equal to what? 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over what? 5 minus 5 is what? Is 1. That means we have factorial here. So 5 times 4 is what? 20. Yes, 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2 is what? 120. 120 times 1 is 120. So we have N permutation R equal to what? 120 over factorial. So we have 120 ways. So let's move to question 2. Question 2. A student has 5 elective courses to choose from. How many different combinations of 3 courses can they choose? Yes, a student, that means one student, has 5 elective courses to choose from. So how many different combinations of 3 courses can they choose from? A. 10 ways, B. 15 ways, C. 25 ways, and D. 53 ways. So this is a combination question. You can see choosing. Let's solve. What is our N? Our N is what? Our N is 5, while our R is equal to what? 3. Our formula is N combination R equal to what? N factorial all over R factorial N minus R factorial. This is the formula for solving combination. Combination R will be equal to what? 5 factorial all over what? 3 factorial times what? 5 minus 3 factorial. So N combination R will now be equal to what? 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over what? 3 factorial times 5 minus, okay, 5 minus 2 is what? Is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. So let's quickly do the rest here. We have 5 times, okay, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over what? Let's spread this. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1 times what? 2 times 1. 2 times 1 for the 2 factorial. So we can just divide. 5 times 4 is what? 20. 20 times 3 is 60. 60 times 2, 120. 120 times 1, 120. So 120 all over what? 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 1 is still 12 over 12. 12 divided by 112 is what? 10 ways. Let's check maybe the option. Yes, option A, 10 ways. So I hope after this class you should be able to solve any question coming from permutation and combination. Please don't forget to like, share, and do well to subscribe.